Monsieur le Président. Colleagues, for several years the situation of the opposition in Venezuela has been very difficult and questioning the Venezuelan democracy has been legitimate. But what happens these days is a proof that Venezuela's democracy and rule of law are a mockery. To use an administrative measure in order to ban people for 15 years to hold or run for official positions is unacceptable. Only courts should be allowed to decide so, and only after convicting perpetrators of serious crimes. The perversity of this measure can be easily noticed when acknowledging that the vast majority of those banned are from the political opposition, a practice that most likely will not be used only for these November elections, but may continue for the elections which will follow. It is not surprising that this inhabilitación de políticos happens in a time when human rights advocates who criticise the current government were expelled from Venezuela, and when very suspicious accidents resulting in the death of persons who expressed criticism are not properly investigated. The European Parliament must send a firm message to the public opinion in Venezuela that inhabilitaciones políticas is an undemocratic practice and contrary to the very foundation of rule of law. We must strongly reject the allegations of the Venezuelan Vice Minister for Europe that the European Parliament denied the vote in September on this resolution because it was seen as a vote against the anti-corruption fight. Such manoeuvre to manipulate the Venezuelan public opinion is undignified for a Minister for Europe. And we also strongly reject his accusation that what we do here is an attack against a sovereign country. This resolution is the expression of our concern regarding the democratic evolution and respect for human rights in a country whose people we highly admire and respect. Thank you.